Question number 1. Solve. Find the area of a right angle triangle with a width of 3 meters and a height of 8 meters.
The answer to question number 1 is 12 meters squared.
The formula to finding the area of a right angle triangle is a half base times height. That means you take a half, you multiply by base, and then you multiply by height. In this case, our base is 3 meters, and the base is also the width, and our height is 8 meters. So you multiply a half, that is 1/2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 8, and that's where you get the answer 12 meters squared. Question number 2. Calculate the correct answer. One shirt takes an hour to dry. How long will 10 such shirts take to dry if they are of the same type?
The answer to question number 2 is 1 hour.
1 hour. You are correct. One shirt takes 1 hour to dry. Now, if the shirts are the same and all of them have been washed at the same time and then they have been put to dry at the same time, then they will all take the same 1 hour. Question number 3. Work out. What is 1/4 of 36?
The answer to question number 3 is 9.
That is correct. The answer is 9. 1/4 of 36 is the same as 1/4 times 36. Now, when you multiply 1 times 36, you get 36. So 36/4. When 36 is divided by 4, the answer is 9. So she is correct. Question number 4. Write the correct answer. Arrange the following from the largest to the smallest. 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8.
The answer to question number 4 is a half, a third, a quarter, and an eighth.
1/2 is larger than 1/3. 1/3 is larger than 1/4, and 1/4 is larger than 1/8. Question number 5. Work out 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 is the prime factorization of.
The answer to question number 5 is 140.
You are correct. 140 is the correct answer. Question number 6. Solve. Convert 0.05 into a fraction, then simplify the fraction.
The answer to question number 6 is 1/20.
That is correct. Now 0.05, if you convert into a fraction, it will be 5/100. 100, yeah. And when simplifying it, you divide by 5. When you divide 5 by 5, you get
1.
And when you divide 100 by 5, you get
20.
And that's where we get our answer, 1/20. Question number 7. Work out 17 divided by 6.
The answer to question number 7 is 2 remainder 5.
You are correct. Now 17 cannot be completely divided by 6. Therefore, the closest that 6, a multiple of 6 can get 17 is 6 times 2, which is
12.
12. Now once you minus 12 from 17, you get 5. And that's where our answer is 2 remainder 5. Question number 8. Work out. Change 2,750 grams into kilograms.
The answer to question number 8 is 2 whole number 3/4 kilograms.
And that is the correct answer. 1,000 grams make up 1 kilogram. Now, if we want to find how many kilograms are there in 2,750 grams, we divide 2,750 grams by 1,000. And when we do that, the answer that we get is 5/4, which is an improper fraction. Now, when you convert it into a mixed number, what we get is 3/4 kilograms, which is the correct answer. Now to our final question, number 10. Solve. From a cloth of 9.5 meters long, a piece of 4.5 meters is cut off. What length remains?
The answer to question number 10 is 5 3/4.
No, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 4 and 3 over 4 meters. So how did you get this answer 4 and 3 over 4? Now the very first step is to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. Now when you convert 9 and a quarter into a mixed fraction, you get 37 over 4. When you convert 4 and a half into a mixed number, you get 9 over 2. Now we are told that the piece of cloth is 37 over 4. Therefore we minus the one that was cut off, which is 9 over 2. And then we take the denominators and find the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 2, the answer is 4. Now then we multiply 37 over 4 times 18 over 4. Now we get the 18 through the LCM. When you divide 4 by 2, you get 2, which you multiply by the 9, which is over 2. After that, you minus 37 over 4 minus 18 over 4. And the answer is 19 over 4, which is an improper
fraction.
Now when you simplify it, you get 4 and 3 over 4 meters. Thank you for being with us throughout the Mathematics Class 5 tutorial. We believe that you have learned something. We hope to see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.
So, what are the benefits of iRate? With the iRate application, you can be able to access and do thousands of tests, view test results. You can be able to read notes on these test results. You can also be able to access thousands of exam questions, view exam reports, upgrade your class, and read relevant topics from the library.
iRate is simple to use. With iRate, I've been able to improve my grades.
You will be able to access the following tabs: do test, test result, exam, exam report, update class, library, study group, and contact us.